What's up, y'all? This is my trade recap for January 23, 2025. Coming into today, market open today at 9 o'clock. I saw that we're in not really a downtrend, but I saw a lot of 4 hour candles being closures. So this is not really a downtrend to me because there wasn't a low that actually formed. It was a scanner price was retracing, but um I kind of went against my bias. So I saw this and I was thinking, okay, there's a good chance that price could come lower to these prices, and I kind of went against my bias. So I didn't really account for the 4 hour as much, but on my hourly chart though, coming into today, I saw that we were still in the downtrend, and I guess what I could have done better is follow my bias, because this is just no looking at it back. This is really just a retracement. So yeah, it came into the Fair Valley gap and it's retracing up now. But into the hourly chart, I saw that we're in, what's this, 9 o'clock. I saw that coming into 9 o'clock, we were basically closing above below these. Well, we didn't really close above it, so even on the hourly chart, we're kind of still maintaining, or we weren't really breaking structure on the hourly chart. So kind of went against my bias, and I guess that's the reason for today's mistake. But anyway, on my 5 minute chart, my mentality was that I wanted to see lower prices. Another reason why my bias was bearish instead of bullish is that on the 4 hour chart, there's this big bearish imbalance right here, and this is my reason why I actually put my bias as bearish instead of bullish. But there's this 4 hour bearish imbalance right here, and I was thinking once price fills it, it's going to reverse down into and go for these lows right here, because these are like low resistance liquidity right here. So that was the reason for my bias being bearish, even though we weren't really in a downtrend on the 4 hour. But that's just my mistake today, and could have done better on that. But anyway, coming into my 5 minute chart though, I was saying to myself I was going to target these lows and the bottom of this Fair Valley gap, and what I was waiting to occur was for this high to be swept, and I wanted to see a closure outside of the Fair Valley gap once it got swept. And I saw price came up here. It didn't sweep it, but it came down, and again it still didn't break structure after coming up in the Fair Valley. It didn't break structure right here, so that should have kind of gave me the indication that price is not really willing to go lower at the moment, so you need more orders to really go down here. But I saw that it finally swept the liquidity at around 1040, a little late in the day. Once I saw that it created a Fair Valley gap right here, and I said once price closed below this Fair Valley gap, I would enter. I went onto my 1 minute chart. I saw it right here happen. Actually not right here. It actually happened around here. Price closed, and I entered around this candle. Between these candles, I entered, and I got my entry at around here. I got my entry, and price closed below the Fair Valley gap right before going back up into the Fair Valley gap. And let's just talk about this candle. This is actually a news day. So today I thought crude oil was actually saying 11 o'clock, but it's actually 12 o'clock, and I saw Trump was speaking at 11, so I thought they were coming out at the same time, but I guess I just kind of wasn't paying attention as much. but price Trump basically speak at 11, and this is what caused this, I'm assuming, where price was kind of like choppy back and forth, but um yeah, surprise came the lowest and immediately reversed. And what I could have seen was that price was actually just filling this Fair Valley gap, and once it got orders, it was going to go higher. So this is me. Could have really seen this trade actually, cause there's this low right here, higher low right here, higher low, higher low, higher low. So price is really steadily going up. So this was kind of just my mistake or misread on my bias. Didn't really follow my rules. So yeah, kind of get punished for that. But I risked less today. So the loss never really sting me, and it should have sting me because I should really be making these errors. But the loss never really affect me that much today. But we're 1-1 for the week. I think I don't think I'm going trade tomorrow. It depends on what I see tomorrow. But yeah. So this was my trade recap for January 23, 2025, and I honestly believe that price is going to go lower, but I'm not going to take a new trade. I'm just going to leave it as today, trying to break the habit of over trading. Don't want to form that habit. So yeah, I'm just going to take this as a loss today, and tomorrow I hopefully can do better. So yeah, it's my trade recap for today, Thursday.